How does it feel? Fluffy mouth.
See, it's not scary. It's okay. It's alright, I'm right here. Look, it's gonna get your toes. It's gonna get your toes.
So is that.
When did you get smart about your digestive health?
When I found something delicious for my digestion.
When my stomach couldn't wait 14 days for slow-acting yogurt.
But it's not the same. More natural delicious.
I'm right here. It's okay. See? It's just noisy. It's okay. It's okay. Look, we turn him around. We turn him around, he'll go the other way. Yeah, you tell him. Go the other way, Mr. FedEx driver. Push. It's okay. There he goes. Vroom. He's stuck. You gonna go help him?
Whatever your stomach problem.
Gonna go help the race car driver? No.